Hello student, I am Dhanasri Zadav, Assistant Professor of English. Today I am going to talk about one of the most famous novel, The Alchemist, written by Paulo Coelho. I am going to create a series of lectures on this novel because this is my favorite novel. The novel The Alchemist, written by Paulo Coelho, who is a Brazilian author. The lecture is divided into some sections. First one is called or with the title Introduction to the Novel. In this introductory lecture, I'm going to talk about the title, who is the author, when is the novel published, and what kind of novel is this, and what is the setting or form of this novel. See, the title of the novel is The Alchemist. Marathi meaning आहे किमयागार. Author is Paulo Coelho, and this novel first published in 1988 in Portuguese language. And this novel has this novel has been translated into so many languages. Its English version come into the year 1993. The genre of this novel is philosophical, allegorical, and spiritual fiction. The setting of this the novel is Spain, North Africa, and Egyptian deserts located near Egyptian pyramids. The form of the novel is simple narrative and symbolic, allegorical with allegorical depth. There are so many symbols have used by this author Paulo Coelho to talk about some good and bad things that guide us throughout our journey. Now I want to talk about the author. The author, Paulo Coelho, is a Brazilian writer known for blending spiritual philosophy, mysticism, self-discovery. See, the self-discovery is important here because we just take birth and spend our days, and if we keep doing this, then there is not a single meaning left to our existence. The aim, the passion, the thing we have in our mind or in our heart that guide us to become something, and this novel guide us to be that something. The Alchemist is his famous work and has been translated into more than 80 languages. The background of the novel is inspired by folk tales, Sufi philosophy, biblical and mystical tradition. The central theme and one of the most important theme of not just this novel but